Hi everyone, I'm Slaya, and today I'll show you how to use the Canva AI Image Generator. If you're ready, let's get started. First, scroll down the menu on the left and click on Magic Media. In this section, you can create images, videos, graphics, and 3D content using AI. You can also adjust the style and size of the content to be produced from here. Now type something here about the image you want to create. Then click Generate Images. This process doesn't take very long. As you can see, it generated for images of bears eating honey based on the description we wrote. If you don't like any of these for images, you can click Generate again or write a more detailed description. Finally, you can add the generated image to your design by clicking on it once. I hope this tutorial video on how to use the Canva AI Image Generator was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.